If there's one truth that I've learned over 23 years of operating and taking care of injured human beings, it's to trust the body. The human body is an amazing thing. One of my catchphrases is to trust the body. And I believe that the human body can heal just about anything, and I've seen that over the years. And so with that philosophy, it's led me to alter the way I think about some of the procedures that we do, and I've gravitated towards a philosophy and an approach that I call preservation first. My practice and the way I treat patients is really centered on trying, first and foremost, to preserve the human body. I don't want to replace parts if I don't have to. I want to try and save the anatomy that the good Lord gave you, because that's as good as it gets. And if we're able to save the anatomy and it's appropriate, then we will. And if not, then we can move towards bigger procedures. So start small and move bigger if needed. So preservation first can mean a lot of things. It may mean conservative treatment. It may mean that you don't get surgery. In fact, that's my first and foremost hope, is that I don't need to operate on you. There's nothing I love better than when patients come to see me with what they think is a big problem and an injury that's going to require a big surgery, and I can pat them on the back and say, you know what, you're fine. Just do some conservative treatment, maybe some therapy, etc. Give it some time. The body will heal this and you're going to be okay. But that doesn't always happen, as we all know. Sometimes injuries require a little assistance, Many times when people injure things, they'd do better if we intervened and gave the body a little hand. That doesn't mean that we need to rush forward and start replacing parts and jumping right to the biggest option. Sometimes a few well-placed stitches is all that you need to help the body heal in a fraction of the time, because the tissues are disordered from an injury. By putting them back into close position to where they should be, you're helping the body to heal. It doesn't have to work so hard to restore the anatomy because it's not as far displaced from where it came from. And so those are some of the ideas behind the preservation first philosophy, and it served me and my patients well over the past 23 years.